Welcome to the Open Science Academy and this fourth and last part of the second chapter of the ebook by Peter Jakubowski, No Evolution Without Revolution. We have already learned that the material dependence of all physical quantities can be simply described by means of the numerical factor μ with a mathematical exponent depending on the quantity placed on the unified family planes. For a better visualization, we can attach the same background color to the squares of these planes containing the physical quantities with the same exponent of the material factor μ, as shown in the next diagram for the dynamic plane. The exponents of the material factor μ for each physical quantity are explicitly shown here with the red numbers between -5 to +4. Let us note that these numbers increase from left to right with a step 1, and from the top to the bottom with a step 2. It is because the material horizontal axis means a multiplication with the quantum dimension r, for which the material exponent is +1, whereas the spiritual vertical axis means a multiplication with the quantum period t, for which the material exponent is +2. Now, if we shift each square of the dynamic plane vertically out of the plane, accordingly to the material factor exponent belonging to the square, down if negative and up if positive, we obtain the following 3D modification of the dynamic plane of the unified family. Using the same procedure to modify the electrodynamic plane of the unified family, we obtain a similar 3D modification of this plane. Both planes located in a 3D perspective graphically demonstrate the complete material dependence of the unified family of all physical quantities. In this perspective, we can observe the specific position of the 6 white squares of the family at the best. They contain the universal unity, the universal creative potential and its 5 further modifications: the quantum circulation phi-f, the quantum power p, the electric conductivity sigma, and on the electrodynamic plane, the magnetic induction B and the electric field E. These 6 white quantities are our theoretical potential to create the whole unified description of our universe. From a philosophical point of view, we can say that these potentials create even the universe itself. Because this universe, being described with our physical language of quantities, equations, units and constants, is just an illusion. What does really exist is only this majestic potential, the divine possibility to create the universe we need to live in. Please read some more details on the following 6 pages. You can stop the video if you need. In conclusion, we can ask, what does it mean to create a new quantum of our universe? It means to allow this quantum to come in existence, all the spiritual and material properties of this quantum, as described previously. First of all, it means to allow the quantum to come in existence, or technically speaking, to produce a corresponding amount of energy, the spiritual component of the creative power P, acting at least for a single quantum period T. From this conclusion, immediately follows the certainty that there cannot exist any energy in our universe before a proper quantum has created it. Consequently, it means that there is no place in our unified description of nature for such hypothetical ideas like Big Bang, dark energy, or dark mass. There is also no need for them. The unified description of nature has no missing elements at all. The unified family of all physical quantities clears up the correct relations between all physical quantities, allowing us to comprehend the numerous properties of nature we are recepting with our senses and receiving with our cells and organs. The unifying of the spiritual and material components of nature should help us to understand and to fulfill our conscious task on duty of our unique planet in our probably also unique solar system, a member of our huge cosmic hierarchy. Thanks for watching and join us again in the next chapters of this ebook.